Want a fresh IP address in Windows 11 to boost privacy, fix connection issues, or unlock content? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how. First, right-click the Start menu and choose Command Prompt or Windows Terminal. Step 2. Release the current IP. Type this command to release your current IP address. This won't disconnect Wi-Fi permanently. Step 3. Renew your IP. Now type this command to request a new IP from your network. Or you can also go to whatismyipaddress.com website to find your IP address. As bonus tip, you can go to this address in PC. And that's it! You now have a new IP on Windows 11. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Windows tricks.